Thursday, June 2nd, 9:13 a.m. We starting the day with a $31.30 double order. 1.3 miles. So this is easy money. It's gonna be a good day. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 9:56. Just finished shopping for that double batch, first batch of the day. And we're on the way to the drop off. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 10:05. Just finished our first batch of the day. Let's see. 1 second. $32.60. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we at the gas station getting some gas, and we just swiped a $28 triple, 4 miles. So we're gonna knock this out. It's 10:09. We're gonna try to have it knocked out by 11:15. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 10:45. Just finished shopping for that triple. On the way to the first drop off. Alright, y'all, 11:06. Just finished that batch, and we're on our way to the next. Let's go. Alright, y'all, it's 11:34. I'm sitting here waiting for another batch, and I just got my reimbursement. Remember yesterday, I'm not sure if y'all watched yesterday's video, but Instacart card system was down, so like none of the cards was working. So I took an order and I just paid for it with my personal card, and I put in a reimbursement request when I got done yesterday, and that money just hit my account. So just to let y'all know how that works, you know, I've done it like this. That was the 3rd time I've done it. So don't be scared to use your own card if you got the money to get an order done, because they will give you your money right back, no problem. Take a picture of the receipt, put it in, and you good. But yeah, we still waiting for another good one. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, sitting in Aldi parking lot still, and just got a $30 double from Shop and Save, 3.3 miles. So I'm 10 minutes away from Shop and Save. We're gonna go knock this out. It's 11:42. Let's try to have it done by 12:45. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 12:30. Shop and Save double batch shop for. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 104. Just stopped back home real quick. While I was in the house, I swiped a $21 or accepted a $21 single order, And then before I even got out the door, I got a $15 add-on to that, so a double order. It's like 70 units total, but it is what it is. Let's get the money. Alright, y'all, it's getting hot. 141. Just finished shopping for that double order, which should be worth $36, but we'll see. No refund, so it should be. It's one of them trick batches, man, because you know how sometimes when you see an add-on and you just see the number of the miles and you look and you take it real quick, but man, the second add-on, like the first, when I accepted this batch, it was $21 single order. It was 23 items, 35 units for $25. The add-on was plus $15, but it was like 39 items, 26 units, so it was more items, more units, and 3 cases of water for only $15. So Instacart tricked me. Sometimes they do that. Like, chances is customer B like tipped very little to nothing for how big that order was. So I already know customer A gave me a big tip because that's the original order I accepted. But it is what it is. They slipped that one in on me. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, 204. We just finished that double batch. It was worth $38.51, so that's very good money. I put this close to 130 for the day. We had like 128, so that's good money. We're gonna keep it moving. Let's go. Ain't nothing stop us. Y'all, it's 220. I'm sitting in Aldi parking lot, and there is a $23.11 batch on here, which will put us over 150 for the day, but it's 7 miles. I'm kind of want to take it, but I kind of want to wait and see if I can get something over 30. But I'll let y'all know what I do here in a second. Alright, y'all, 253. Just finished shopping for that $23 batch. I ended up taking it because I didn't want to sit around too long, so yeah, let's get the money. Alright, y'all, that second drop off was in a old person's building, and I had to take it to the lady, buzzing and all that, so she did give me $1 extra on top of what it was worth. So it ain't much, but every little things count. You never know what they situations be like, so I don't try to downplay no tips. Every dollar counts. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, 326. Just finished that batch. Was worth $23.18. Took me an hour and 4 minutes, so that ain't a batch I would normally take. Like I said, I just didn't want to be sitting around having idle time, so I took that batch. Definitely wasn't worth $23, even though it only took me an hour, 3 drop-offs, but you know how I go with Instacart. It's like that sometimes. But we still gonna keep it moving. On to the next one. Alright, y'all, we back. It's 350. I was sitting around again after I just finished that last delivery. And again, I'm just taking another batch, so I'm not sitting around. I'm out. I gotta be making some type of money. So I took a quick $21 double batch, 5 miles, so ain't too bad. It's $350. Let's try to have it done by 4:30, 4:35. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we back. 4:14, double batch, shop 4. On the way to drop off number 1. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 4:33. We got it done. Let's go. We hustle hard right there. Quick $21. This last building, I deliver to this building all the time. Normally I can't get in there because like the call system is all messed up. So dude was downstairs waiting for me today, so that turned out perfect. Let's go. Let's get one more. We got 173. So let's get at least a $27 batch and call it a day. Let's go. Alright, y'all. It's 4:46 and I'm at 175.49 for the day. So I just need $24.51. And there's a $24.90 triple batch on here. So I think I'm gonna take that. It's only 4.3 miles. It's going through a little bit of traffic, but it's all good. We're gonna get this done and be in the house by 6, hit our 200. So I'm gonna knock this out and yeah, try to get it done by 5:45. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 5:20. We just shot for this triple that was only worth 24 to begin with, but I still had refunds on top of that, so it's definitely gonna be a little bit short, but this is still the last batch of the day. I'm gonna be maybe $1 or $2 short of 200, but I'll make that up tomorrow. It's still a good Thursday. We still hustle hard and we still getting to it. Can't nothing stop us. Let's go. Alright, y'all, 5:55. We toughed it out through the rain, coming down hard on me. Finished our last batch. We end the day with 199, so basically 200. We hit our goal. Today was kind of a weird day, but we got it done. Bunch of little batches, but if you watch this channel, you know that's how we do. We hustle hard. We ain't searching for the biggest, best batches. We out and we ain't wasting no time, and we getting to the money. But with that being said, it's a wrap for today. Like I said, rain or shine, we gonna get it. Ain't nothing stop us, and we gonna keep going. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing. At the time of this recording, I'm over 200 subscribers. I think I got 202 subscribers. So shout out to y'all. Shout out to all the hustlers out there who's watching me. All the gig workers, man. Let's go. But yeah, we're gonna see y'all tomorrow.